Social media, not on my phone. If you want to wear who want it, brother, it'll buy me your bonoje. If you want to wear who want it, sister, what's again, I'm a papa, and now I'm a boy. Mommy,
what kind of people am I? You break that touch. Don't you know the water you go, you say you break that touch, not carry my children from me. No, I don't dance. Oh, I did my friend's side. I go to. You did enjoy what you did? Star Joy? You can't greet them for their back. Bana. Yeah, well, Bana.
Stick to my story. Remember my papa. You can do it for
with you. Do my with you. So you know what I mean? The main that for the minute that's how you come when you do. I see how you don't enjoy that. Where sister Brianna? I think later. Afternoon, you want to be? We go enjoy. Hello. Yeah, kill him like here, boy. You know, Maya, go see your partner. I got you. Wow, no one is seeing that.
Listen to my story.
Big man, flexing man.
Actually,
I cite you, brother. I cite you.
man, Papa, artist now.
Everywhere, Maraba, bros. Everywhere, yours good. How your side now?
Actually, how like the job.
We bless God, though. Everywhere clear. Bele.
Happy enjoyment.
See you,
So you know see matter when he did on bus. So this guy when we say he just come out go, he go France.
I see her for this thing for video. You know understand. I see him.
Yeah.
The guy I pity on sha, easy. Like too much with family. I pity and feel pity for him. I just pray make God just position am where he go. May you see person wey go take am comot for streets. Cause this Europe, before you see all those kind of no easy, No easy. I just pray for am.
Na be wetin I dey try to I come bro. Na be wetin I dey try to analyze my people know. Things about all those things, you know.
Yeah.
We know say yeah now lawyer he get the way he be.
Yeah.
But he still get some place when say they still dey assist. If you get any issue like that, you get where you go. When say they will be put you through, wetin you go do, they'll tell you what you go do, and wetin you go bring to you. You can able to live.
Yeah.
For till when they answer the person. You know.
Even most of their lawyer now, they work with them now. They don't buy most of all lawyer. They are working with them now. They are before you see better we go fight for your case. Before you even see.
I know they are, but
before you even see, you know say na take you go give you to that lawyer. Now yours be the cocoa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now they know the one where they never virus.
Bros, maybe you know, verse, bro.
No stress, no stress. I deal with you. No stress.
I think say that be the matter when we say it is so.
Yeah.
You know, you get the way it be, the way the boy take command go France. Even people they tell me say make I talk about Tony Kabaka. I know Tony Kabaka.
Wait.
I don't know. I don't say talk about a matter. Na here Obaseki no, because here Obaseki na brothers na the big. He don't work for Obaseki long. So I know the interfere for that the matter.
Bros,
Yesterday I did work. When we say I take break, now I see the this thing, the video when we say it they make. Now I say why this one be like that? You know, but na government know every. So the matter, I'm not talking about the matter. If the house get C of O, they will compensate them. If you not get C of O, you know, they will still leave the matter. You know, so now so therefore it give many process. And anybody when they build us for anybody when they build us for Nigeria or for anywhere, he make sure say he go to C of O. You know?
My brother, let me tell you one thing. Wait, let me tell you one thing.
Wait, make I first. Anybody when they build that, make sure say he go do C of O. C of O, it means say this house na my it means say the property na my own. Na be C of O. You go back say they don't look everything. You not get C of O, you get C of O, nobody know. But at the end, we go hear everything for the next coming news.
My brother,
you know?
One thing I want to tell you, that C of O or no C of O, I don't believe of any C of O. Let me hear you. As Nigeria be so, even though you even do waiting pass C of O for your ass, if the Nigeria don't corrupt reach so, if they want to take your ass, now you want a governor, sitting governor, say you want demolition, nowhere you want carry and go, nothing you want to do, my brother. I don't believe or C of O. You understand? Let me just tell you the truth. All those one don't mean anything. If governor say he want to demolish your ass, you hear me so? If governor say he want to all those one I know C of O not mean anything for the issue. The issue be not big passing man. I just political issue. I Tony Kabaka I don't know where they pay now. I just be the matter. You understand? You don't know where they pay now. That the man I look at who they fuck up where. Now I be all see for the matter. No matter what, now city governor, you will still give her the respect. Respect her, no matter what he do. Because he not carry billions for your table they eat. We know the game, we know what they play, bros. We all cheat those and now they know what they fight for. They know where they pay them. Now you they cost and you don't know say go fit do you sortie. Now you want to do you sortie now, you they run, you they shots like a back like dog. Where you they cost and you don't know say get power pass from that state.
They're not gonna look for work. Why they not go work? Why they not go work? When we say that they find Osofi, why did they find Osofi? Not they made they work. No, they made they do fabrica work.
Oshomole they give us small mind. You know say no level. No level for Oshomole.
Oshomole that you not see what happened now. Oshomole that we are now. it don't cause obstacle.
Bros, Oshomole enough destroy. You don't know how many as Oshomole destroy. Even whether na Ijaji be you don't know many way Oshomole destroy. Enough it talk for the matter because enough destroy many as that side. You know now where you say you want to do road, you want to do this one, that way you say you want to do way enough it do finish, where you take shop money for those states. You understand? Enough destroy because he not able to talk, he not able to yarn. Now, Tony Kabaka, now I blame for the issue. You they follow your brother, you follow another person, they fight your brother. Because you not let you continue with your Agberu work. Not be say you never benefit, you be millionaire, you don't poor. What you call the fight for? What you call the die for? Do you understand? I just see, I know even bros, I know reason, I know feeling, I know your fee pay for Tony Kabaka because Tony Kabaka are the fuck up. Now you they cry like baby. You don't know how many life you don't know how many life he don't destroy for Billy. You don't know because he the keep quiet. You don't know he's supposed to be J by now. You don't know. May we forget it. Those one are yours. May we forget, bros. Now they cry like baby. This is safe. Whether now Oshomole, he not destroy, he not seize whether my brothers are doing. Samede Adu Oshomole not do you that time. Oshomole do you that time now. Not be Oshomole not be make they not call the year for all those that man negi. He pee all of the down. You understand? He not use that and get sense. He not use that one and get sense. He they bring his shares out. That
If you see apple like that, my brother, for me, I not support anybody. I not dey into politics.
Yeah.
My father and my mother and my people not dey into politics. All those, the problem is that they don't want to. They defend Agberu.
Yeah.
Agberu money. Now they spoil the country.
Yes.
Now they.
Yes.
They spoil the country.
If you say the money, bros, if you say money we governor they get for the Agberu work we be say they take they collect money before. I revenue where they collect before it be like say 13 million. But with governor consistent, you how much governor call they collect for the thing now? They talk about the million we call they collect for there now. And not be say the governor not they work, my brother. They say that man they work. You understand? They say now who not get document to come take up anyway because see what they do. Now they talk for abroad, say the man not the work, not the work. They say if you get document, go call Nigeria, call Edo, come see what the man they do. Do you understand? Now your brother, you know if you join outside that, they pursue your brother, no matter what. Try play with him. You understand? He not give you Agberu work. There are many jobs where be say if he give you position you take the flex. You understand, my brother? And he not respect governor. You know they respect governor. You don't see the way they cost governor. You just say another state governor. If not be say like Benin boy is to be, he go try and go cost another state governor like that. If because Obaseki na his brother, he go try the cost of Obaseki and the cost of Papa. You don't get respect now. No matter what that man do, I not supposed to insult Obaseki like that. They not give you the. I beg you. I know your feel. I not feel for that. Oh, now wait if so nice so nice.
You know say this guy don't talk for the matter. Last week, this guy when say if they want to follow Obaseki now, this officer one. He don't talk the matter. Say may Tony Kabaka apply to Obaseki. Say Obaseki no go reject him.
Yes.
You know. You know say wetin my guy talk. He say 4 + 4 8.
He go complete.
We know say 4 + 4. We know say 4 + 4 na 8, but we need a good leader. No matter say 4 + even the theater, he know it. We know if he enter say yes, waiting with the find.
My brother, My brother,
we need
that
a good life.
my brother, if the man
For we to
not be good leader, that man for not say for we write 4 times 4, 4 plus 4. That man for not say 4 plus 4. They say that man is a good leader. He don't want anything Agberu for the state again. You don't understand? They say that man is a good leader. They say now we not get document for abroad. Yeah, they go those states, go see what they do. Now they call them and say the man not try. He not try. Easy 3 years. They say what he don't do for these 3 years. He pass Oshomole. Oshomole do anything. That road, now road Oshomole just say they deceive them. He go just carry bulldozer. The bulldozer everything.
Oshomole, he do.
He do.
Oshomole, he not do. My brothers, I want to tell you.
Okay.
Many people here now. Even you know a Kawa road for I want to book. That Oshomole regime that time. When I go home, I they go I want to book. If you see my motor, the leg, the day up.
You know.
The back of motor, the leg day up. The leg, if you see big O, everywhere you full of O. Which road?
If not be say Obaseki even the pity. If not be say Obaseki even the pity the Oshomole. Oshomole suppose even dey jail now. I just say man because say na APC. Oshomole suppose dey jail by now. Do you understand? Wait till he do. Wait till Obaseki 3 years. Wait till they say he don't do for Edo State. They say he pass Oshomole. When Kabaka use he dey fuck up, he not try at all. No matter wetin, even though he don't give you Agberu work, there are many jobs where he go position you. You will try to play with her. May he carry you along. You understand? There are many now your brother. You understand? Try to near her. Not be say you they join thief, they pursue your brother. You understand, my brother? No matter what, this thing. No matter what, he not supposed they cost Obaseki. Obaseki pass on for everything. You want to talk of education matter? You want to talk of level? Waiting. He just the cost governor any year.
Tony Kabaka, he go school. He not go school now. Area nigga. You don't know. If you want to talk of, you don't know how many people Kabaka don't keep for Edo there. Now those one they spoil Edo State. Ranomigo, you go here waiting. Ranomigo they talk about to Tony Kabaka for that time.
Yeah.
You are too sure. When say they talk about say Tony Kabaka in no pure. Now this is why I believe. My brother. Now when we say they look, if you look the background, not truth.
Yes.
No be lie. So it's better he complete. But not be say he complete. Say make just depend of government money. Make he go work.
Where you suppose even join your brother, your state's not good. You say who come and who can repair am. The Tony Kabaka himself is a millionaire, not be saying like poor man. You want just they eat. May your state not good, may road not good, may school where children they go, school where you go. May the school not good. You know the shame. Do you understand? If they join Oshomole thief, they pursue his brother. No matter what your Obaseki doing, you're not supposed to come out line. They form Gauga, they form Bulls, they sort Obaseki. If don't not be say Obaseki na his brother, just say Bini. You know, say Tony Kabaka. He don't suppose they J. Do you understand? If they say he dey yes, he go anybody we want say come, we go die. If he two soldier enter that, yes, he go run enter bush. Now Marty day, you a whole governor we get busy power day with. Now you follow the whole ground. He go shocking you. You just say Oshomole people take you come out. Even Oshomole people, Oshomole brothers, they not they support Oshomole. Which is nonsense way they do.
No, be too mom matter. The matter, He carry.
He carry. I
No,
not
no
feel
be
for
small.
my brother. May I tell you, I not feel for one day. Who keep by sword but surely die by sword. Now yours be the matter so. Now I be die you.
Well,
Metamu we e man of vie we no newe. Ye man ye do. Na so do I ever call aro. Bros, may we leave that matter. Na me man ye uni committee. When you get do am peace. Ne peace yare oni. What understand me that peace dey that state. Any rusu no zed edwe peace de dene. Eki agbelegbe na atoni kabaka any rusu. No ri oni. What understand? Any rusu no ri oni. I beg my brother. I'm at our time.
my brother, any now. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You do when me on that person see
Contribute. Not be like bros. Not be like cut and then.
I respect, bro.
Okay.
Three goes I
Yeah.
I respect my papa, my God.
I agree to
yeah,
Baba.
bro.
Cut and.
I do see the matter when me the talk now about in Benin. Politics they do one thing. Oshomole, Obaseki, or Tony Kabaka, all and so all. The day in midst of people when say they no want let that Benin Edo state grow. Ask me wetin they fight for. Na money they fight for. We need a good leader. We will not say yes. Obaseki don come and say yes. He go stand as a good leader. May we see a reaction. How a reaction it be. May we see a reaction. But this one so we dey see the improvement. But the next turn when we say in 1 hectare, may we see look how it go be. My people, I'm coming, please. My people, that is the real truth about a politician of a team. The prayer when we dey pray say we need a good leader. We need light for that Edo state. We need constant light. At least we go dey celebrate 5 years anniversary about light, or 10 years anniversary, or 20 years anniversary. Those ones it dey okay. Go see the rest other country where be say e no even reach half of 1/4 of the country. Go the rest country. They get constant intermittent light. So I use this opportunity to tell Obaseki, if he say he wan come out for the next turn, we go put am in, because na men when e matter na go fit put am in, but we need a change. We need a change. At least our company, our business, when we say e dey home, we go fit dey control am well. People dey when e get money, when we say e want to invest for our for Benin there, particularly Benin, but when we say you no get constant light, how you want to invest? You no fit invest. I use this one take talk to the great Obaseki. If you want enter the next turn so, the 5,000 words when he first talk say he want publish, when say they say they work on am, make sure say they finish am, make them not do and reach half, because last time he say in want for close to Gelegele there, he want publish 5,000 words. Now we have about 2,000 words. Is not enough, so we need about 5,000. No, we need about, sorry, we need about 50,000. When we say we will get constant appropriate light, you know. So I use this opportunity, my brothers and sisters. You know, see the way when we live for Europe now. You know, so in Europe, good, everything is okay, but look at things that is going on over there. It looks somehow. Investment, a great investment. When we say we when the Europe, we go the price say the price say is so person, it gets also investment for home. So I do this opportunity to tell Obaseki, I beg, no matter say he writes Tony Kapaka say he want destroy the hotel, say na government land e be. Na in Obaseki no, as well as say you no want come down for Obaseki. So Obaseki, he can do whatever he like. True. Obaseki nothing just bring paper come and say, this paper now, you want send out, go give so person. They want that kind of thing. Because they don't look the root of everything. Now true say that land na government get the land, so you know. So I greet my people. I remain your boy, aka Destiny Kulikule Gushi. I swallowed for my people. I greet my people. This is just my great news today, and I have other news for my people as well. For the officient person, when we say they just carry go, he use the hand carry himself go country when they call France. He not suppose come out go France like that. You know, he supposed patient first before he plan say he want come out go France. We know say where would they so? Now so they do now. Even though you get negative, you get negative, oh, you get dudu. That one it give you idea say yeah, your asylum, you don't live in that country, it has been end. So you have to find a way to take iron all those things. You know, so na so like but that our brothers when he did France, oh, I beg people when you know am for France, una fit see support am as well, you know, because that our brother na very great brother. No matter say where he for come, even they come from Nigeria, he come from Africa. We are Africans. We are one blood. You know, as I say, he say he need support as well. May we see, may we try. May we try. We fit support her. If not just advice, it dey okay. You know, because yesterday I call her yesterday. He tell me the story. What he tell me, I no fit tell people yet because the story it dey somehow this critical somehow. Na story when we say people no go fit understand just like that, you know. So na so the matter e be. And number two, I get other news. Any friend when we say e dey find any guy, make I put it like that. Any guy when we say yes, is strong. When we say e dey okay, even though e not dey okay or whatever, but he get good heart, he get fearing of God. When we say e dey find girl, but now only one, but he just purposely tell me say make I help am look for guy when we say even though he not do okay, but guy when we say they try, you know, even though he not do okay, but the guy he dey try, you know. All those ones it dey very much important because it go fit see help. Go fit see help for situation whereby person when he not get paper, if he see help that person, if he get paper, he go take stand. Yeah. Anybody when he need that, if he just write me for Facebook because I not a drop my phone number, you know. So that is all, you know. People, I greet you all. Why is there any nagbonta? Magbon omure. So be on yourself. Be on yourself and be okay. You know, no matter that someone is telling you this or whatever, try to be who you are. You know, it's very, very important in life. Don't let any man or woman attract you or any person when you know around you. They want to attract you that you are not perfect in anything or whatever. But I really like to advise people that be who you are and support your boy, aka Destiny Kulikuli Gushi. May una try subscribe for my YouTube, then una go see a lot of story when it come out there. Because normally I don't normally hook up in Facebook, so you can get me off in YouTube, and you can get me up in YouTube, so we can easily discuss what is going on in the world and in the country as well. You know. I greet you, my people. So because you wanted to know women, what documenting those ones. So you may not agree with the office. You can now when you check documenting, you are new. So how would they 5 to 6? MAR, yeah, we know what day. Okay. No, not that I'm backsliding. That you are telling me you're not a remember documenting me for all the time I was because it's way that the money bank in the yeah, when I found the way the affair, why we go over for why we did for almost 4 hours. Yeah, to me, I read before I was in the beer dinner now.
Oh yeah, pa, daddy, you see me ya. Anytime I way, the more I do it, you know, Martin or what. You went because you take my academy or seek a donin. Academy and hair like that. That's what they want with Anya. You want to buy one party touch radio, and my radio on you. Mere is that the very mere do that. Every day. He said to me, I like the Anya.
He asked for it. We asked him, but where's the bro? I salute my great people. Sorry, I don't have a little. Oh my God, it's like the day of dark. Oh. Everyone, I greet you, the great people. So our topic for now, it goes like that. You know, please, my brother, my king, aka Nation. Please, he need a support from you people. His name is Dada One Talk Show. Please, you people should have a little support for the good news that is been advising our people for the good advice. You know, we need a good support. You know, we all should support him. And tomorrow we hello. tomorrow we have a great party here, aka Mama Jummy. You want to do a baby birthday in Dortmund. You know, normally I could announce it before this birthday, you know. So it just comes out from called me, told me to help me to appropriate it, that everybody is invited to this great birthday. You know, it's a day of happy, it's a day of joy, it's a day of favor to come and join his baby happy together. You know? So I use this opportunity to invite my fans that is living in Dortmund. I use this opportunity to invite my great ones that is living close to Dortmund, anywhere you are, to able to come to this birthday. This birthday is going to be a very great birthday all over anywhere. I greet you, I greet my fans, I greet my people. To this topic is end. I wish you people a good luck, a good week, the best weekend so far. I wish you people enjoyment, but God said drunk and don't be drink. So you people should be careful the way you drink or whatever. I greet you all my people. One love to my people, great people. One love. Tiri Boza.